Hello everyone. Do you want to improve yourself in front-end? Do you want to embellish your projects? Are you looking for front-end frameworks? I will provide you some front-end frameworks. I will tell you which are the best. I will teach you how to use them. Tailwind CSS is the utility-first revolution. Instead of writing custom CSS, you compose directly in HTML with classes like Flex P4, BG Gradient to R from INDIGO 500, no context switching, design while you code. The config file lets you define your design tokens once, colors, spacing, fonts, then reuse them everywhere. JIT mode compiles only what you use. A full site ships under 10 kilobytes gzipped. Dark mode, just add dark prefixes, responsive stack SM, MD, LG, breakpoints. Plugins for forms, typography, aspect ratios, zero extra CSS, works with React, Vue, Laravel, even plain HTML. Figma to Tailwind plugins mean designers and devs speak the same language. No more, why is this button blue in dev but gray in prod? Tailwind enforces consistency, speeds iteration and scales from landing pages to design systems. Alpine.js is 7 kilobytes of reactive magic. Drop less than script greater than tag, no build step, and suddenly your HTML behaves like a spa. Xdata creates a component scope. XOnClick binds events. Xshow toggles visibility. Build dropdowns, modals, tabs, live search, pure declarative syntax. Xmodel two-way binds inputs. X for loops over arrays. It's jQuery spirit reborn in modern JS but tiny and framework agnostic. Pair it with Laravel Blade, Phoenix Live View, or static sites. No virtual DOM overhead. Alpine mutates the real DOM surgically. Xinit runs once. Xeffect reacts to changes. Xtransition gives buttery CSS transitions for free. Need a tooltip? 3 lines. Accordion 4. Alpine shines when you want interactivity without the bundle bloat. CDN one-liner 0 config, instant gratification. React is the component king, still unbeatable in 2025. Everything is a function of state. Change data, UI updates automatically. Hooks use state, use effect, use memo, replaced class lifecycles in 2019 and never look back. Server components in React 19 stream HTML from the server. 0 client JS for static parts. Concurrent mode, suspense and automatic batching make apps feel instant. Next.js app router plus React server. Components equals full stack in one framework. Ecosystem, TanStack query, React hook form, frame emotion, radix primitives. TypeScript plus React equals typesafe UI at scale. One mental model works from mobile with React Native to desktop with Electron. Hot module replacement, fast refresh, code. See changes in 50 milliseconds. Community 2.5 million Stack Overflow tags, 250k GitHub stars. React, build once, compose. Angular is the full-stack TypeScript battleship. CLI generates components, services, modules in seconds. ng generate component. Standalone API since v14 mean knowing modules boilerplate. Signals in Angular 17 bring fine-grained reactivity. Change detection only where needed. RxJS observables power async pipes. No manual unsubscribe hell. Dependency injection built-in services are singletons by default. Ivy renderer compiles templates ahead of time. Tree shaking removes dead code. Forms, template-driven or reactive with built-in validators. Angular universal for SSR, Scully for static. CO out of the box. Enterprise monorepos with NX scale to thousands of components. Strict typing, schematics, codelizer, consistency enforced. Google backs it. Material CDK and Flex layout are first class. Angular, one framework, 0 surprises at scale. Bootstrap is the Swiss Army knife of front-end. One CDN link. Less than link href equals https://cdn.js/delivr.net/npm/bootstrap at 5.3.3/dis/css/bootstrap.min.css greater than, and you have a 12-column grid, 500 plus components. Dark mode, navbar, carousel, modal, toast, copy, paste, done. Utility classes, deflex, gap3, text truncate. Sass source lets you override $primary, $spacer every variable. Popper.js powers tooltips and popovers with 0 config. Responsive breakpoints baked in. colMD6 switches at 768px. Works with React, React Bootstrap, Vue, Bootstrap Vue, or plain HTML. prototyping, build a dashboard in 2 hours. WordPress themes, Shopify sections, Drupal, Bootstrap is everywhere. Version 5 drop jQuery, Pure.js 140 kilobytes gzipped, community 160k GitHub stars, endless themes on Themifrost. Bootstrap, ship pixel perfect UI yesterday.